Have you ever wondered about the link between knee pain and sciatica? In this video, we'll uncover 5 essential reasons why knee pain can lead to sciatica. So, let's dive into these. Wait, before starting the video, we introduce you with Joint Restore Gummies, which will help you to relieve knee pain naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Reason 1. Nerve compression. One of the primary reasons knee pain can lead to sciatica is the potential compression of the sciatic nerve originating from the knee area. In cases of knee injury or chronic knee pain, inflammation or structural changes can exert pressure on the adjacent sciatic nerve, leading to radiating pain, tingling, or numbness along the sciatic nerve pathway. The compression of the sciatic nerve can manifest as symptoms of sciatica, causing discomfort and mobility limitations in the lower back, buttocks, and legs. Reason 2. Muscular tension and imbalances. The development of muscular tension and imbalances surrounding the knee can contribute to the onset of sciatica symptoms. Chronic knee pain often results in muscular tension and imbalances in the surrounding muscles, including the hamstrings, quadriceps, and gluteal muscles. The resulting muscle tightness and imbalances can affect the alignment and stability of the pelvis and the spine, potentially irritating the sciatic nerve and triggering sciatica symptoms. Reason 3. Postural changes. Altered postural mechanics and movement patterns due to knee pain can also impact the occurrence of sciatica. Individuals with knee pain may unconsciously adjust their posture and movement patterns to minimize discomfort, leading to changes in spinal alignment and pelvic positioning. These postural alterations can place stress on the structures surrounding the sciatic nerve, leading to irritation, inflammation, and the development of sciatica symptoms. Reason 4. Sacroiliac joint dysfunction. Dysfunction of the sacroiliac joint resulting from knee pain can contribute to the manifestation of sciatica symptoms. Knee pain can lead to compensatory movements and imbalances in the pelvis, affecting the stability and function of the sacroiliac joint, which connects the spine to the pelvis. The resultant sacroiliac joint dysfunction can cause referred pain along the sciatic nerve, leading to symptoms commonly associated with sciatica. Reason 5. Inflammatory response. Chronic inflammation associated with knee pain can exacerbate the risk of sciatica development or progression. Persistent knee pain often accompanies an inflammatory response within the affected joint, which can extend to the surrounding nerves and tissues, including the sciatic nerve. The inflammatory process can contribute to nerve sensitivity and irritation, heightening the likelihood of sciatica symptoms and discomfort. Where to get the Joint Restore Gummies? Get Joint Restore Gummies from official website. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, stay tuned.